Hi, I'm going to test out our inverter generator on these two microwaves. One's a 1000 watt microwave, the other's a 700 watt microwave. This is going to be very loud during this test. There's really nothing I can do about the audio here. Before I do anything, I'm going to pour some water in a couple cups. I'm going to put a cup of water in each microwave. Unfortunately, the generator is a little bit off balance. As you can see, it's sitting more of an angle over here. Maybe I can try to move it back a little. Maybe. We'll see how that works. Now this is already broke in. Now first we're going to try it on eco mode. Okay, the microwaves are running, but on eco mode, it's overloading. So let's take it off eco mode, because I turned them both on. Wait, I think I need to turn this off. Okay, let's turn this off. Let's take this off eco mode and see if it'll power both of these off of eco mode. Okay. Hi, I'm going to test these microwaves today on a generator. One is a 1000 watt Hamilton Beach. I have a cup of water in there. Sorry about how dirty the microwave is. And I have a cup of water in here. This is a 700 watt on top. The bottom is a 1000 watt. Now I'm not going to try to run these at the same time, because the 700 watt microwave pulls 1050 watts. The 1100 watt microwaves pulls 1450, I believe. So, you know, that's a lot of power. That's 1050. That's more than the 2200 watts the generator is rated for. So I will not try to even attempt these at the same time. But I'm going to see if it can run. I'm pretty sure it'll run the 700 with no issues, and I'm actually pretty sure it will run the 1000 with no issues. I'm going to try both these on eco mode. Oh, it would help if I turned it on. Okay. That is on eco mode. Let's try the 700 water. Okay, that had no issues. It did kick up a little bit on eco mode. I apologize for the sound. I understand this is probably going to get loud. Alright, let's try the 1000 watt. Now this is, remember, this is on eco mode. Okay, that was no issue whatsoever. I took it off eco mode. Now, of course, if it ran on eco, it's definitely going to run. Now we'll go down to the Hamilton Beach. It had no issues running either one of these microwaves. I apologize about it getting really loud. Remember, this is a 2300 watt inverter generator. If I would have added both these together, it would have been well over 2300 watts. This runs 1800 watts, I believe, continuous. Yep, 1800 rated, 2300 watts peak. So this is me testing the inverter generator. This seems like it's going to be a real good generator, and I apologize for the sound. So that's it. That's me testing them. If you're unsure how to break this in, watch my break-in video. And that's it. Everyone have a good day, and bye.